So we're going to be doing head, neck, shoulders, and this follows the 10th cranial. So the 10th, just getting our fingers positioned for the 10th cranial is just easily moving the client's head. We're going to be using fingers 2 and 3 and hooking right underneath the occipital bone, letting our index finger rest right alongside of the neck and our thumbs pointed towards the temples. Now from here, because this really isn't the demonstration for the 10th cranial, we're going to simply turn our client's head to one side, and then using our fingertips, sending our etheric fingers in all the way to the bone, and begin to do a slight circular motion. This is something that the client will feel very deeply. Here on the side of the head. It's also called the parietal bone. And now you take your hand and slide it underneath the neck. And coming down from, you're going to see there's a little bone at the back of the ear here. This is a good landmark for where your thumb should be. And you're doing slight circular motion down the side of the neck. And when you get close to the top of the trapezius, turn your hand over, and now you're using your thumb, so you notice your fingers are right along top of the body, just resting easily, and you're using your thumb to make circular motion along the trapezius. Your hand should fit very nicely there. And just keep moving across. It should be about 5 points because you're really working to open the long lines. And then you can just brush the energy across. Now I'm going to take your sheet, just fold it up, and slide your hand underneath your client. So you are between the scapula and the spine. And you're curling your fingers up underneath the client. So you're just pushing your fingers up into the trapezius muscle to release even more, and sliding your hand back out. So about 3 times. Bring your hand out. And then again across the top of the shoulder. Brush the energy off, and now you're taking a full hand, cupping the humerus, and just watch your client's breath. On the exhale, you're going to push the shoulder towards their feet, and about 3 breaths. You'll notice each time that the shoulder goes down even more. Good. And now we'll position our fingers back just like we did for the 10th cranial, and turn the head to the other side. And the same thing on this side. We're just using our fingers, sending our fingers into the bone. Finding our landmark with the bone right behind the ear, and sliding our fingers under the neck. Nice circular motions down the neck. Turn your hands so your fingers are on the top of the body. Nice circular motions across the trapezius until you get to the outer edge before you hit the shoulder. Slide. I mean, just brush the energy off, and then turn your sheet up. This is the reason we use a flat sheet in Polarity. Slide your hand under. Curl your fingertips up. And just notice the position of my body. It's a wide stance. Sit with your spine straight. You don't want to be all bent over, because you've got to take care of yourself at the same time. Come back across the top of the shoulder, and again, small circular motions with your thumb to the trapezius, Brush the energy off, cup the humerus, and on the exhale, stretch the shoulder down towards the feet. And that is it. And go ahead and position the head back.